Today we're going to guide you on sharing games on Steam. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's start. Firstly, we need to start the guide on the borrower's computer. What you need to do is open up Steam and click Settings. On the left, click Security and make sure Steam Guard is enabled. Now, log out of the borrower's account. Now we're going to log into the account where the games are going to be borrowed from. Go to the top left and go into Settings again. Go into Security, again make sure if Steam Guard is enabled. Now head over to Family and authorize library sharing on this device. And now you can choose the account you want family sharing with. Now go up to Family Sharing and click Manage. Make sure that the device is authorized, and now we can sign out of this account. Now let's go back to the borrower's account. Now as you click Library, and as you can see, we now have the games borrowed from the other's account. And that's how you borrow games on Steam. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.